In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can change your Wix domain name. Okay, so when it comes to the domain name on Wix, you can either use the standard Wix URL, which you can see right here is the Wix standard URL. It says domain. And if you have a custom domain that you purchase from either like Namecheap or GoDaddy, you can connect that over here. But if you would just like to change, let's just say the / and then where it says my site, to change that, you can just come to the left hand side and click on settings. This will take you into the settings page. Go to the top where it says website settings, and here you can see it says the name of the website, wixsite.com / my site. So I could change this to Digital Unraveled Store or something like that. Okay, so that's actually too long. You have to see it has to be between 4 and 20 characters. So I'll just call it YT, and there you go, I've changed it. So then to save that, just click on save at the top right hand corner. And right now that has been saved, so I can click on home, and you'll notice that if that loads up, it now says this / Digital Unraveled YT, and that's it. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.